Before you can design your space, you have to own a space. And home buying or refinancing can feel overwhelming. Endless paperwork, tough questions, limited options, big down payments, and high interest rates. But there is a better way. Imagine a bank that helps you navigate the complexity of buying a home to ease some of the stress. Meet Michelle Rosso, Chief Communications Officer at Bank OZK.
At Bank OZK, we realize buying a home should be exciting, not stressful. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or refinancing your existing home, our mortgage process is simple, it's seamless, and it's built just for you.
For Mark and Lisa, trying to navigate the multitude of forms, files, and declarations required to qualify for a mortgage is proving challenging.
Here are 4 ways that Bank OZK helps ease the stress of the home buying process. 1. Online application. Gone are the days of going into a bank branch to submit a paper loan application. Now, you can complete a home loan application online at your pace when it's convenient for you. Our online application portal not only allows you to complete, update, and manage your application requirements, but it also connects you with the people involved with your loan, like your realtor and loan officer. You can check your application status, understand what documents you need to upload, estimate your loan amount, and digitally sign documents. Plus, you can return to where you left off and get reminders to complete any outstanding items. 2. Mobile app. You should also be able to apply, update, respond to requests, and digitally sign documents on the go, not just on your computer with a scanner and fax machine nearby. Our OZK Home mobile app automatically syncs with your other devices, so you can use all of our tools to access your application. 3. Customer success team. You don't need to go through the application process alone, and you don't need to become an expert to understand the documents that you're signing. You should have a team with you the entire way to make sure you sign the right paperwork, fill out the right forms, and keep the process moving toward your home financing goals. Think of them as your personal home loan coaches. This is where Bank OZK really helps. We have some of the best loan officers in the business. Backed by our in-house underwriters and fueled by industry-leading tools, we are focused on bringing great home loans to customers at competitive rates. Our experts are always available to help navigate what loan may be right for you and what rates you can expect to get, so you can take the guesswork out of what financing will look like. Our team is with you every step of the way, from pre-qualification through closing, and we offer competitive rates and flexible terms designed to meet your budget. 4. Rates and loan options. Rates and loan options are typically the first on everyone's list, and we know it's important too. The market can be easily influenced, and it can be hard to know when to act and what loan works best for you. That's why transparency about rates and loan availability is incredibly important when evaluating a lending partner. Bank OZK posts real-time available rates and has a mortgage calculator right on our website to estimate what your monthly payments could look like. We offer a variety of home loan products to help you get the most out of your lending experience.
Bank OZK. Let us help you make this a home sweet loan.